going to write a program to print Collatz sequence. So first of all, we will understand what is the Collatz conjecture. The Collatz conjecture states that for any integer, we can create a sequence, and each successive term found by the Collatz conjecture following two rules. So what is the first rule? So first rule says that if n, the number which you are passing to the function, is even, then it will be divided by 2 to get the next term. And the second rule is when n is odd, then n is multiply by 3 and add 1 to it to guess the next term. Then this process will repeated until it become the 1. So whenever until we get the 1, so we will run a while loop. Let's start the code. So first of all, we will take an input, okay, the keyboard input. Then we will call a function collage and pass that input to the function. Let's write a function collage and get and accept the input n. After that, we will create an empty list. Then we will append the number to the list. After that, we will create a while loop until it will run until n is greater than 1. So the first rule says that if n is even, then in that case we will divide the number by 2. Otherwise, we will multiply the number by 3 and add 1 to it. After that, we will append the number and return the value. So let's save the program and run. Here you enter the digit. So I am entering 3 here. Enter. Here you can see the output 3, 10, 5.0, 16.0, 8, 4.0, 2.0, and 1.0. So it will get the 1 at the end of the program.